Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing another watch, of course. Just like 90% of the videos you will find on this channel. It's pretty much still unboxings. I haven't started the reviews yet. And I'm still kind of thinking about how I should even go about that, so if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. So yeah, before we actually get to the watch, we gotta do the wrist check. Wrist check for today. I'm wearing one of my original Seikos. My Seiko Patty Diver. Patty Monster, actually. Yeah, it's one of my original Seikos. Purchased it on a Facebook group dedicated to watch enthusiasts. Same place I got my Clemente from, actually the same seller too. So yeah. Well, without further ado, let's just get to this. I'm not sure what watch is in here, but I think it's a Seiko. If not, I'll just be confused, but it was still likely a watch. I'll say that much. It's likely a watch. Sorry, these are not exactly the best scissors in the world. But they do the trick. Let's just do this. Yeah, trying to be careful about my address here. At some point I just give up and start breaking things. Alright. And it is a Seiko. Good. This one I didn't mess up. Good. Just might have messed up with the watch I was supposed to wear, but that's fine. I'm wearing the watch I planned on wearing for the unboxing of this watch. Yes, this watch, the 5KX, the SRPE60, Seiko 5. Yes, this watch. Link to that unboxing up there. But yes. Let's get to it, shall we? This should be a similar watch in a sense, as it is a Seiko 5. Now, this is what's referred to as the DressKX. I like the two-tone, I just couldn't resist getting it. Very nice looking watch. I can't find flaws in it, in the sense that for the price, it's very reasonable price. Oh, sorry, dropped a bunch of stuff. Yeah. Okay, so let's just get these tags off this thing. Might have to actually, might have to cut them, but for that, there we are. Easy. Alright, let's move that. There should be a sticker back here. Guess not. No, there is. There's most definitely is a sticker back here. Alright, there should be a sticker up here too. Maybe not on the face though. There it is. Okay. There's still... Wow. A lot of stuff protecting the watch, but that's good. That's good. I like a protected watch. Alright, there we are. There we are, and there's still tape. I'm surprised at the amount of tape that are on these things. But there. We have the DressKX, or what's really it's the SRPE60. The two-tone, nice little two-tone Seiko 5 watch, and it is a dress watch. So let's try it on, shall we? I know I'm gonna have to remove links. That's not a surprise. It's not a surprise at all. I'm gonna have to remove links. Yep, definitely gonna have to remove links. At least 3 of them. At least 3 of them. But that's a nice looking watch. Don't you think? I like it. I like the way it looks. Has an appeal to it. Does have an appeal to it. But yeah, this is going to be a short unboxing. Yeah. And tell me what you think of it. I think it looks pretty nice. Let's look at it under a bit more light. I'm sorry, I wish it was more natural light, but that's not an option right now. Would be in about 6 or 7 hours, but I don't want to do that at that time. Anyway, it's a pretty nice looking watch. I like it. I'm happy. Yeah. Let me know what you think of my new watch. And yeah, I hope you're all enjoying your watches. Take care, everyone. Bye.